Have you seen those viral Talking Baby podcast videos everywhere?
Welcome back to the Baby Talks podcast. Today's topic: why do adults drink coffee when naps are clearly better? Here's my advice: skip the stress, take a nap, and hug your teddy bear.
Today, I'll show you how you can make your own viral baby podcast video using HeyGen step by step. No editing skills required. Let's get started. First, go to heygen.com and sign up for a free account. You can use your Google or email account to log in. Now you're in the dashboard of HeyGen. This is where the magic happens. Click on Talkin' Baby Podcast. Now, scroll to the avatars or search for baby in the avatar list. Choose a baby avatar you like. There are multiple AI-generated baby characters available. Next, type or paste your podcast script in the text box. This is what your baby avatar will say. Make it fun or educational, whatever you want. You can create your script using ChatGPT or write yourself. I've created my script using ChatGPT. Let's copy the script. Click on Preview to check how it looks. If everything's okay, hit Generate. It will take a few minutes to process. Once it's ready, download your video and share it on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok. These baby podcasts go viral super fast.
Welcome back to the Baby Talks podcast. Today's topic: why do adults drink coffee when naps are clearly better? Here's my advice: skip the stress, take a nap, and hug your teddy bear.
Download the video, and that's it. Your Talkin' Baby podcast is ready. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on writing viral baby podcast scripts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.
Welcome back to the Baby Talks podcast. Today's topic: why do adults drink coffee when naps are clearly better? Here's my advice: skip the stress, take a nap, and hug your teddy bear.